Hey everyone, welcome back to Gourmet Aroma. Today I am going to show you how to make crispy juicy KFC style fried chicken right at home with my special of herbs and spice. You will get that same crunchy coating and tender meat inside, just like the real deal. Also, I showing you how to make homemade mayonnaise and golden french fries. This is the combo for a delicious meal. Here I take the chicken leg pieces and wings. When you buy the chicken, you need to buy the chicken with skin. The skin make a delicious for crispy chicken. Now I cutting the celery. It's make a very good flavor to the chicken. First we need to soak the chicken to make it extra juicy. Now I make the buttermilk. So I take the yogurt and water to mix together and ready our buttermilk. If you find a buttermilk in the bazaar, so you can buy that. Then season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder and celery. Add the chicken pieces and pour in the buttermilk. Give it a good mix, making sure all pieces are well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferable overnight for the best results. Now I prepare the marination. For a marination, I take one bowl and take oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, dried oregano, dried thyme, dried basil and MSG or Ajinomoto. Give it a good mix, making sure all pieces are well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Please check the description box I give to the all the recipe. For French fries, I already cutted the potatoes and clean with the water and soak with the water. Now I prepare to the delicious creamy homemade mayonnaise. So first I cutted the one garlic. For make a mayonnaise, need the ingredients: eggs, Dijon mustard. If you have a Dijon mustard, you need to use to the kasundi or mustard powder, vegetable oil, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and chilled milk. Use the hand blender, blending eggs, Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, lemon juice together. Then you slowly added the chilled milk. Now emulsifying, so slowly adds oil while whisking until it thickness. The key is to add oil gradually while continuously whisking. This creates that smooth, creamy mayonnaise texture. So ready our creamy delicious homemade mayonnaise. Now I transfer the one bowl. Now I prepare the French fries. So in a pan, hot the water and I add the potatoes. 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I take up the potatoes and put into the refrigerator. Now let's prepare the secret crispy coating. In a large bowl, mix normal flour, corn flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, oregano, thyme, and MSG and mustard powder. This combination gives the perfect crispy texture. At the last, I take some sprinkle of chilled water. Now in a bowl, I broken the 3 eggs and add the salt, black pepper and MSG and mix together. Now for frying, I take a large pan and add the vegetable oil. Heat the oil. Remember that need to oil deep fry and heat the oil 170 degree to 175 degree Celsius. Now take each marinated chicken pieces and soak the egg mixture. Then dredge it in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing firmly so the coating stick well. Now carefully place the coated chicken pieces in the hot oil. Fry for about 5 to 7 minutes and take off. We will fry to the chicken pieces for double fry. So first time 5 to 7 minutes and then again we are frying. Now frying to the French fries. So first fryings at 160 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes, then removing to cool. Now do the chicken pieces for second time fry and the fry for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally until golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove them onto a wire racks to drain excess oil. This helps keep them crispy. Now frying for the second time for French fries. So second frying for crispiness 190 degrees Celsius, the hot the oil until golden and crispy. Then sprinkle some salt. Now I do the plating for crispy fried chicken, golden fries and creamy mayonnaise on a plate. This is the ultimate crispy fried chicken meal Now let's do a taste. The chicken is perfectly crispy, the fries are golden and crunchy, and the homemade mayonnaise is super creamy. You have to try this at home. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what recipe you want next. See you in the next video.